Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all having a great day, and I have a great surprise for you. I have the new September Cat Lady box. Yep, I do. I have the new September Cat Lady box. So I hope you like this box. I can't wait to see what's inside. I didn't do any sneak peek. I just opened the flap a little bit and that's it. So let's get into this. So I hope, oh, look at my hat. I got a nice hat on, sparkly for this grand opening. I love it. It's really, really cute. I needed to have a little sparkly to pick me up. It's later on. It's after 5. So let's get into this box. So let's see. So this is really cute. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. Look at, this is what the print is. This cute photo. This is what's in it. I'll get that to that. And let's see what we got. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is really, really cute. Let's see. These look like scissors. Oh, look at this. Nice scissors. So we got cat ear scissors, I believe. Let me see. Scissors, black cat scissors. Really cute, and they come in this, I wonder if it stands. Oh, nope, it don't stand. So we got that. We got, oh, these are so cute. Oh my god. Look at how adorable. Oh, I can't open these. Oh no, pick that up. And I got these cute clips. Look at how adorable. You take them off. And these are cat clippers. Look at how adorable these are. Cat clippers. So you just kind of put them on like a bunch of papers. Look at how cute. Love these. These are awesome. Cute. Got that. Oh, look at how cute. This, I think it's a kitty pen. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's a pen. Let's see if it writes. It writes a little hard, but it does write. It's not really, it doesn't feel like a really smooth pen, but it's cute. Nevertheless, it's cute. And what is this? It has this like collar on it. I wonder if I could have to take it off for any reason. Well, anyways, it's cute. I love it. Chloe likes it. Hi, Chloe. My kitty. My girl Kitty's here. She's saying, what do I got? Cat Lady box. Look at how adorable. So I got that. This is a, oh, it's a light up pen. It's supposed to be a light up pen. So how do I light it up? Maybe this little plastic thing got to take off. Oh, juice. Oh, that's what it's, oh, here it is. Look at, look at that light up pen. How adorable. This is so cute. And I guess if you shut it off, you gotta click it down. Click it on and click it down. So that is adorable. I'm gonna bring that to work. And what do I got? I Speak Fluent Cat. Oh, look at, I love this. This is so cute. Look at how beautiful that is. They have the cutest shirts and a very lightweight. Really cute. And I have a Meow Memo. Meow Memo. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, I got two memo pads. I got this one and this one. I'll bring these to work. Aren't they cute? So I got those. And for the kitties, next box is an annual cat box. Black Cats box. Our annual Black Cats box is one of the most popular boxes every year, and it's your next box. We can't wait to send this one to you. So October. Now this is for the kitties. It's like a little apple. Look at, and it's crinkly. Look at how cute that is. So they got that one for the kitties. Oh, look at this, is like a little ruler. They're probably making it school themed. Look at how cute. So that is it. That's for the cats too. So they always give you this one. They give you 2 cat toys because I got the Crazy Cat Lady box. So you get 2 cat toys, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other items. So that is all we have in this box. I hope you like this box. It's really cool. And I'm going to give you a recap on what we got. So we got a shirt. A cute shirt. We got some memo pads. A cute light up pen. Clips. Scissors. Which I would definitely, I'll bring these to work. I need good scissors. And 2 kitty toys. So this is what we got in the box. So let's do a recap on how much this all cost. I will add it up for you, and I'll take that. So I'm bringing all this stuff to work because except for the kitty toys and everything. So let's recap. Oh, I'm gonna have to take these off for the kitties. Chloe's here claiming the toys. She's saying, "Mommy, give me my toys." And then I have this toy. Chloe, you go play over here. She's underneath. So let's add these wonderful items up. I am going to put these in my... Okay. What the hell? I got that stuck in here. So, where is my... Okay. Chloe! She pushed the apple on the floor. Oh, boy. Okay, let's add this up. Alright, so the t-shirt is $22.99. Scissors are $8.99. The binder clip set, the clip, you know, the little clippers, are $7.99. The light up pen is $4.99. The notepads are $6.99. The ruler toy is $5.99. No scissors. The apple is $5.99. And it retails, let's see, $63.93 for this box. and I paid basically 40 bucks. So that's what it retailed for. So I love the print. It's really, really cute. So that is it for the September Cat Lady box. I really, really enjoyed this one. I think it's so freaking adorable. So definitely pick one up. I'll put the link down below. This is the September one, which you can tell it's September one because it has the ruler. Let me see. And the little apple for the kitties. Let me throw the... I threw it. But it's basically back to school themed. So I'll put the link in the description down below. And like this video. Put a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything for a like. Put a like. And it shows YouTube I'm doing a good job. And subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. And ring the little bell, notification bell, so when I do post anything, you'll know when I post. So I hope you enjoyed, and I love you all, and thank you for being here with me, and have an awesome night. Love you.